SAN Engineering was started by Suri and Nair, two people who promoted the company. It started way back in 1970s. Then it started manufacturing small locomotives, then gradually graduated into making larger locomotives. We are one of the largest manufacturers of hydraulic locomotives in India, especially shunting range. We make up to 2,600 horsepower. We make the diesel hydraulic and also the diesel electric. We also have a gearbox division which makes gearboxes. Basically, the engineering has been our strength, because a locomotive, though it looks a little robust and simple and all that, but it's got a lot of technology into it. SAN Engineering uses the Siemens PLM software for the designing part of it, and then that is translated into the manufacturing drawings. The drawings are taken over the process, and then we have very good CNC machines for manufacturing the parts. Then they are assembled. We have very good quality system in place where the products are inspected and then the locomotive is made.
We at SAN Engineering were on 2D for quite a long time, and we had issues like we were not able to visualize the product, we were not able to visualize the interferences, where it is. With that, we did have an evaluation with many software. We found Solid Edge has a better edge because it has an integrated suite of software, which made us to select Solid Edge.
The PLM software gives a very great advantage to the designer. He is able to see the products, assemble them, and then see that he doesn't make any mistakes once he has made the product. So the productivity enhances and becomes easier for the manufacturer to do the product, and also it becomes fit and forget assembly. So we are able to get a distinct advantage on the productivity part of it.
We were initially trained by the reseller. It was for a brief period, and we had to make standard templates, standard method of designing, and now it is quite easy. All our engineers are well trained. Even the newcomers, they learn hands-on. Solid Edge synchronous technology today has adjustable parts and adjustable assemblies, and especially it has no history, so it makes it much easier for revisions and modifications, which makes it, I would say, ideal for designers. With synchronous technology, we are able to position all the product in its right place. Then the maintainability can be seen, the reliability of the items can be seen much better than what it was. This makes our product much reliable and maintainable. I would say the reduction in time is almost 50% when compared with traditional methods. When we use different translators, it can't easily modify because synchronous technology is history-free. You can push and pull and make changes and make it easier for our communication to the supplier so that what we want can be easily communicated. I would confidently say about 90% of our designs are all done in Solid Edge synchronous technology. We have implemented Solid Edge. I'm happy to say we are using it right from 2007 for all designs. I do definitely suggest all my colleagues and partners to use Solid Edge synchronous technology. It has much better features than the competitors, and it is much easier to learn and adapt yourself.